How to reverse a car. First things first, you want to put your foot on the pedal, start the ignition. Power it up. That's the first.
Welcome, Master.
Power your car up. This right here is a clutch. So what you want to do is you want to grab your clutch, your gear. Look at the lettering right there. You got P, R, N, D, 3, 2, and obviously the P is park, the R is reverse, the N is neutral, the D is drive. So what you want to do is you want to check all mirrors, right? Make sure everything's leveled. Make sure ain't nothing behind you. Then what you want to do is put your hand on the steering wheel. And if you got two, use them. Keep your foot on the brake. You let up a little bit. And there she goes. She start moving. You turn the wheel to guide your direction. See that? There she go. And that's how you put a car in reverse.